everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I hope you guys had a great Easter. I know we did. I'm going to clear off this table and I'm going to start on a collaboration with Grandma Sandy and Gigi. And it's an Alice in Wonderland Tablescape. I've never done one. I absolutely don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to go through my China hutch and I'm going to pull everything out that I think that I can use for this tablescape. I know I'll be using my teacups and saucers and teapots, but I don't know what else. So I'll clear off this table. I'll get started. I don't really have a plan, so this is going to be a real challenge for me, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, I'll show you the progress as I get going. So these are some of the things that I've pulled out. I may be using some, none, or all. Who knows? I don't know. I want this to be very whimsical and just fun. So I'm going to be using a lot of mismatched pieces. And I'm going to set a table for 8. So I have some pretty plates out. And I have all my teapots out. I might have more, I don't know. But this one here was my grandmother's. It's an old Lipton teapot from the early 1900s. And I do have some pretty teapots. I know I'll be using them. So we're going to see what comes up in my head. But yeah, the wheels are spinning, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing, but it'll be fun, and it's a great challenge for me since I've never ever done an Alice in Wonderland tablescape. And I really want to thank you, Grandma Sandy and Gigi, for this collaboration. And I'm going to have all their information in my description box. And please, please, if you haven't, go check out their channels. They're wonderful. And subscribe and show them some love. And I'll get started here. So I'll be back in a little while. So I thought I would start by hanging some teacups from my chandelier. I love decorating my chandelier for every holiday, and I thought this would be so cute for an Alice in Wonderland theme. Give it a spin. And I've just used shower curtain hooks to do this. All right, so let me figure out what I'm going to do next. Okay, so this is what I have decided to do for right now. I might not like it and take it down. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and put some red runners and some black and white buffalo check on the table. And then I will take it from there. This is how it looks right now. I put my silver chargers on. These are the ones I did at Valentine's Day just by adding the little red hearts that I had bought from Dollar Tree. And I didn't have 8. So in the center on the buffalo check, I put my red chargers on. But I think that's looking cute. I really like it. So let's go ahead and continue on. So this might be where it's going to start looking funny because I'm going to add my plates, my teacups, and saucers to each place setting. And they're all mismatched, but you know what? Maybe that's the fun of it. Because everything's going to be whimsical and mismatched. And I did not want to go out and buy anything for this tablescape. I want to use what I have on hand. So that's what I got so far. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so this is where it starts to get fun for me. I've added my candlestick holders, but instead of candles, I put my teapots on them. In the center, I put a big clock. This is a clock I've had. It broke years ago, but I always wanted to make a tabletop with this, so I've saved it, and I thought that would look really cute. And here I have another teapot. And then also over here, I have 3 teapots. Okay, starting to look out cute now. So I am going to go ahead and start adding some of my bunnies, I think, and florals. So what do you think so far? I'm really liking it. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I put some bunnies on and some more teapots and a few little accessories, more teacups, my honey pot, and I'll take you around at the end and give you a close look of everything because I have it double-sided. But this is what I have so far. And the only thing I think that I have left to do is I need to put my silver on. I'm putting gold flatware on and my glassware. And then I'll come back and show you the final result. But I really am liking my tablescape. Okay, I'll be back to show you the final results. So everyone, this is the final result of my Alice in Wonderland tablescape. I had a fun time, and I want to thank Gigi's Creations and Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration. Again, their information will be in my description box. I've got a lot on the table, so let me take you around and show you everything. So this little bunny is holding a pocket watch because he doesn't want to be late. Don't be late to a very important date. This little depression glass top hat is my mother's. It's very old. I think the mismatched plates and saucers look really whimsical. I like it. This is one of my favorite teapots here. This little miniature teapot is one that my brother bought my mom years ago. Another little clock, my honey pot, and my silver on the table. So I'm going to take you around to the other side now. I really appreciate all of you stopping by to watch this today. My chandelier with the hanging teacups. It is a big table. I also want to welcome all our new subscribers. It's so nice to have you. And to all of our old subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. So let me know in the comments below what you think about my tablescape here. All right, I'll see y'all soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.